Hello, my name is Frank Rosa. I'm from Talem Business Solutions. I'm a co-founder, and we're here at InfoComm to showcase our product, Learning Space Manager. Learning Space Manager is an Amazon-based cloud platform, strategic platform for people that manage learning spaces. It does three things. It helps you manage the performance of your classrooms. Number two, it helps you understand and to help your users utilize the classrooms properly and all their capability. And number three, it helps you evolve the learning spaces. So underneath the hood, you'll see all these capabilities that are game changers in terms of helping you manage learning spaces. I'm going to show you one quickly. This is a business problem. If you have a bunch of classrooms and you need faculty to understand what they're capable of, they automatically show up. These pages are automatic. So if I'm assigned to this classroom, I could click on details, it'll show me the room. I could do a 360 virtual tour. It'll show me the pedagogy value, the capability of the rooms, not to make models, and this is automatic. Because underneath the HUD, you guys, when you add an asset type, it asks you what does it bring to the room, what's the capability. Once you add that and you add that asset to a room or remove it, these pages stay automatically up to date. That's one of the cool features of the software. There's a ton more, and it's constantly evolving. So please stop by. Again, Talem Business Solutions, and we're showcasing Learning Space Manager.